Okay, so first we need to get batch image processor from the App Store. So let's go batch image, right, and there we are. Here's the second one there. And that's the one we want. So open that, because I've already got it. Okay, let's import some photos. This button up here, that's the import button. Tap that. That brings up the files dialog. Now, if we go back there, right, you've got all your cloud devices, or like Dropbox. Tap on that one. I've got some pics in here I can upload. So select them and then open, not done. Done will just close it. Open sends them to the app. And there we go. They're in. Right, let's check out the color option. Right, so let's tap the color settings. Okay, so now you can choose what color mask you want. Just tap anywhere to create a mask. There's a little example there. So let's make it more yellowy. Okay, you can do anything like that. You can adjust it like that as well. You can adjust the alpha to make it stronger or not so strong. Okay, and also you can make things black and white. So let's make it black and white. So with the black and white setting, you can also adjust how strong you want that. So let's just make it full black and white, so make that 0. Okay, and done. Right, let's go to the camera roll to get some photos on here. Let's see what I can do. Right, let's just do a few of these that I've taken. Right, and so you've selected them. Right, I don't want to delete them, so I'll make sure that in the global settings, delete original is off. Okay, so that's good. So tap anywhere to come out of that. Right, now, to make them black and white, just tap that. And there we go. Done. Alright, so, okay. And there we go, black and white. So I'll tap one and have a look at it with the view and share button. And there we go, black and white. Beautiful.